So if you want to achieve this instead of this, stay with us and we'll show you how we did that. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we are going to show you how to polish your car really good. Okay, if the car wasn't taken care of or you bought a used vehicle and you want to bring that shine to it, we'll show you how to restore the paint shine. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the first step that we'll be using Mother's California Gold Clay Bar Kit. This is really good stuff guys, and it's very important to use that, okay, before you actually start polishing the car. You will clean the paint. You can see, okay, right here on the box, they say that's what it looks like before, that's what it looks after that. Super nice and smooth. So let's see if it actually works that way. This is the area that we treated, this is the one that we didn't. Hear the difference yourself. How smooth it is here, just smooth as glass. So we're going to get the instant detailer spray and we're going to spray the area that we will be working. Usually we do half a fender, half of a door, clay bar kit here, using one of the clay bars, and you should go always in a straight line, this way or this way. Never ever clay bar in a circle, because you will not be able to buff as easy. Okay, check out the paint. This is from the paint guys. That's just unbelievable how good that thing cleans. And when you clean the top layer, that contamination, you'll be able to buff the car really easy. Okay, let's check the clay bar, if it got dirty again. Unbelievable. So we're ready with this segment right here now. Next we're going to get a microfiber towel and we're going to clean and dry everything to make sure that we don't have that contamination before we proceed with the next step. I can feel it with my fingers that it's smooth now, but it will not have shine at all. This is because you will need to proceed with the next step, and stay with us to see what it is. Okay, this is it, it's dry now, and you can see right here still how much of a difference. Less noticeable, but we don't have the shine in the paint. Okay, check it out when I move it this way. So after that we're going to cover the window seal here. You always want to protect your seals before you start working with the wax. Next we'll be using 3M rubbing compound with rubbing compound pad. We'll have all the tools and materials we use listed in the description of the video, so feel free to check them out guys. We're going to mix it good and apply a thin layer on the area that we'll be working. Okay, need a little bit more here. And most likely you will need to do that twice. So we'll be going at about 1900 RPMs on the machine now. Okay, and let's do one more layer after that. You can see so far how good that thing looks. Let's just apply one thin layer, second time, a little bit thinner than the first one. Okay, and proceed with the same thing again. can see that we have a lot of improvement, right? This line is not there yet, but you can definitely notice right here how much shinier that piece is compared to this one here. So next step will be, we'll be using a 3M wax. Okay, cleaner wax here. So just a thin layer from that wax. Again, it will be listed in the description of the video, guys. And this one probably will do one layer only. Next we'll be using a polishing pad right here. It's a little bit softer and it cleans really good and polishes real nice. Again at about 1900 RPMs. Okay, after that, you can see it looks so much better now, right? Look at it, super shiny. But we're going to use Maguire's Carnauba wax, really good stuff, guys. This one protects the paint, give it even deep crystal shine. You can do that by hand as well, but we'll be using the machine. Okay, because we want to do it a little bit quicker since we have to do the whole car now. Okay, thin layer again. I'll get a clean pad and do the same procedure. We'll go a little bit slower now, probably at about 1500 RPMs. So, clean microfiber towel towards the end to get all that greasy spots out. Okay, now let me show you. Okay, let me clean that wax here. Okay, here now the difference yourself. Here now. And check out how smooth and shiny that thing is. It's just unbelievable, nothing like what we had before. So much better, guys. So we'll definitely recommend using that method. Thank you for watching, please give a subscribe, thumb up and see you next time.